Hi, welcome back. I wanted to review with you today how to use our mental math strategy to solve bigger multiplication problems in your head. I would really like you to try to do this mentally when you go to do the practice problems, but right now I'm going to show you how you're going to do that in your head. So, if I were to look at this problem, 14 times 7, those are big numbers. I don't have 14 facts memorized. So what I want to do is I want to break it down. And I want to break this 14 into two easier numbers that I do have my facts memorized for. So I'm going to break it down into a 10 and a 4. And then in my head, I'm going to think, okay, what is 7 times 10? I know that that's 70. And what is 7 times 4? I'm just going to add 70 plus, and 70 plus 28 is 98. So I'll write my answer here. We take a look at the next one. 23 is a really big number, so that's the one I want to break apart. I'm going to break it into a 20 and a 3, and then I'm just going to multiply 4 by each of them. So 4 times 20, if I cover up the 0, I can think 4 times 2 is 8, with the 0 at the end would be 80, and then 4 times 3 is 12, and 80 plus 12 is going to be 92. If I break this one apart, I'm going to break the 13 into 10 and 3, and then I'm just going to multiply each of these by 5. So 5 times 10 is 50, 5 times 3 is 15, and 50 plus 15 is 65. Again, when you do this, I want you to try to do as much of this in your head as possible. I'm only writing it down to show you the process, but I want you to try to do as much of it in your head as you can. The more you practice, the more you do it in your head, the better you're going to get. So give it a shot. And thank you all for participating.